welcome to Non-Biased Reviews. Today we're reviewing the Bed Scrunchie. Bed Scrunchie is a bedding accessory that you can buy either on their own website, bedscrunchie.com, or as an add-on to your purchase on Luxor Linens. So what we'll be doing today is trying to turn this flat sheet, that's the Valentino flat sheet by Luxor Linen. It's a 1200 thread count, 100% cotton with a sateen weave, and imported from Egypt. Flat sheet that I'm very interested in seeing whether or not I can truly turn into a fitted sheet. So what I'll be doing is opening this with you guys, going through the user manual and see how well this works. So right here on the box, I see that you first attach it to your bed sheet. It fits all bed sizes from the twin all the way to the California King. It is perfect for deep mattresses, memory foam, feather beds, and toppers. It reduces the wrinkles, so that's one thing that I'm interested in. I typically don't iron my bed sheets, and I hate seeing the wrinkles when I first lay them on the bed. So we'll see if this, and this is straight out of the box, we'll see if this wrinkled bed sheet looks better once we use the Bed Scrunchie. It also tells us that it locks any sheet to any size and depth of mattress from all sides, 360 degrees. And it can work really well for sofas, RVs, and boats, which is something that I had not thought about. But those mattress sizes are typically a little bit different because they're adapted to the needs of an RV or a boat. And the Bed Scrunchie could really turn a regular size sheet into something that fits nice and snug on an RV, a boat, or even a sofa. It is approved for dorm rooms. You can machine wash essentially the elastic that it comes with, and they're high quality clips that will not damage your sheet or your mattress. They're also saying that no mattress lifting is required, and this is something that I want to see and test out before I believe it. So we'll open the box. In there we should find an elastic called the Bed Scrunchie, as well as 8 premium clips, and it is promising us that we will no longer wake up with our bed sheet lifting from the mattress, and it should be nice and snug as well as wrinkle free. Let's give it a try. All right, let's open our problem solving 3-in-1 solution Bed Scrunchie and see what it comes with. So here's the Bed Scrunchie, and they're the 8 fabric clips. There's no manual, so we'll be using this right here, which is repeated up here. So one attached to bed sheet first. Place the sheet over the mattress, tighten, and lock the draw cord. There's also a video, a code that you can scan to watch the video. We'll try to do without the video and see if we get it to work. So we'll attach the bed sheets to the bed sheet first. And if you need more clips, it looks like you can order extra clips by scanning this code. But 8 clips, this is a queen size sheet, should be plenty. There's a warranty, so you can register your product. And by registering your warranty, you qualify to receive a free Bed Scrunchie. Winners are selected monthly. All right. Oh, and I apologize, here are the instructions. There you go. Step 1, we will lay the fitted sheet. What we'll be trying to test this to its full potential is using a flat sheet instead of a fitted sheet. So we'll lay the sheet on the bed with the elastic size facing up. We'll attach 10 to 12 inches from right and the left of the corner seams. And we'll be snapping the Bed Scrunchie to make sure the buckle is centered at the foot of the bed, with the Bed Scrunchie logo facing up and the rope coming towards our feet. So I'll be attaching the Bed Scrunchie's this way, so with this facing up. And the only thing that I do is I take about 10 inches, clip it, and fold it. So now it's pretty well tightened. It's actually really tight. It doesn't seem like I can really pull it off. It moves just a little bit. So let me do this right. And I'll be doing this on, so I have 8, which gives me 2 per corner. So if I put the first one here, about 10 inches from the corner, I'll put the next one about 10 inches from the corner on that side. Do the same thing. Make sure it's face up. I give it as much sheet as I can. Here you go. And I will repeat this on all 4 corners. So once again, 10 inches. Alright, now we'll be adding the bed scrunchie. This is the part that needs to be in the center of the foot of your bed. The reason why is that you'll be pulling on this at the end, at the foot of the bed, to make sure you're tightening the elastic. So this should be at the bottom of the bed. I'll be using this towards the top. And I'll take each one of my clips. So they come buckled, they come this way. Open, and then open this little flap. Put this underneath and clip. And we'll do this 8 times. So again, slide this underneath and clip 6 more times. And so you just want to make sure that, because see how you can adjust it by pulling on it? You just want to make sure that this part is going to be between the 2 bottom clips that come at the foot of your bed. As long as you do that, the rest can be adjusted, so just clip it in and keep moving up towards the head of your bed again. We're done attaching the bed scrunchie, so let me show you how this looks, because it's interesting. Remember, I'm doing this on a flat sheet because I'm trying to turn my extra flat sheets into fitted sheets, but it's something that I think is designed for fitted sheets. It just happens to be applicable to the flat sheet, and I wanted to see to which extent it was working. So we now have the bed scrunchie attached to 8 points around the flat sheet. And we'll now install this flat sheet as we would a fitted sheet. So the first thing you need to do is flip it, because remember, even if you're doing this on a fitted sheet, you want the elastic side, the bottom side up. So make sure that you flip your sheet and ensure that this little clip, the tightening part, goes to the bed, the foot of your bed in the center. I love that this slides, so you can adjust. All right. Okay, we're testing it now, guys. Okay. I'll try a different way because this is not here. You know what? Definitely start with the foot of the bed so you can have this in the right spot. Trying to understand what I did. Okay, this goes down here. This is now here in the center. Okay, this works well. Onto this side. So what you want to do is not just pull on the sheet, which I think was the mistake that I was making, but pull on the sheet and the bed scrunchie. So again, you take the sheet and the bed scrunchie together. And I like to fit it underneath the mattress. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Wow, so this is impressive. I have just taken a flat sheet and turned it into a fitted sheet in a few minutes. Look how nice and tight this is. The only thing that you need to make sure you're getting is, and I'm going to lift the mattress to show you, but you want to make sure that your bed scrunchie is entirely underneath the mattress on all four sides. Now remember, this is a flat sheet. If you had done this with a fitted sheet, you wouldn't be dealing with anything down here that I'm just going to tuck underneath the mattress. But this is turning a flat sheet into a fitted sheet. It's not going to go anywhere as you sleep. It's not going to be sliding. It's being held underneath the mattress. The third and last step in the process is to tighten the bed scrunchie. So let's do that. So remember, all of the bed scrunchie should be going under the mattress. Let's see. We're making this ultra tight. It is now tight. You put this all under the mattress. You can use this little thing here to ensure that no one gets trapped. Here, stick it under the mattress. There. So this is pretty incredible. We have turned a flat sheet into a fitted sheet. So imagine how well this is working with a fitted sheet and ensuring that you have a very tight sheet that is not going to lift as you sleep, as well as a pretty wrinkle-free. Let me get up from this position, but look at how wrinkle-free this is for a brand new sheet that comes with the factory wrinkles. And once again, this is a flat sheet turned into a fitted sheet thanks to the bed scrunchie. I love that you can tighten it at the foot of the bed, so just make sure that you keep that little mechanism at the foot of the bed. A little tip from trying it out, start by putting this, the tightening piece in the center of the foot of the bed, and then do those 2 foot corners, and then slide the head corners last. That's just going to make your life a little bit easier and ensure that you have everything in the right place. Then tighten it so that the wrinkles go away and it's nice and snug with your mattress, and you're good to go. The good thing is that you can put all of this in the washing machine, so the bed scrunchie, that elastic, as well as the clips, go into your washing machine. So when you remove your bed sheet, you throw everything in the washing machine so you don't have to set it up again. Simply take it out of the dryer and put everything back on top of your mattress again. So this is just one of those little things, one of those little accessories that is going to make your life so much easier. You're not, especially if you're sleeping, if yourself or sleeping with someone who moves a lot at night and tends to wake up with their bed sheets removed from the corners of the bed, which happens a lot in our household. This is something that is going to work really well for you. It's one size because you can tighten it. This will work for everything from the twin all the way to the California king. So you don't have to worry about the size of your mattress. You buy the bed scrunchies and it's one size fit all, and you can tighten it as much or as little as you need to. A great addition for anyone who's worried about their bed sheets untightening. And the good thing is, should any of that happen, should your bed sheets start getting wrinkled, you simply go pull on it, tighten it again, and you have almost a freshly made bed in a matter of seconds. So this was the Bed Scrunchie. You can buy it on their website again. You can buy it as an addition to your Luxor linens bed sheets. If you have any questions, let us know. Leave a comment or question in the box below the video. Head over to the website. That's where you'll find our deepest discounts and coupon codes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.